Over a period of time, you will be happy with your own work. You will be keep on learning. You will be getting over after you have created a name for yourself. You will be able to charge people what you want, and people will be willing to pay for it. But again, after some time, you will feel that, hey, I'm really working a lot, and is that worth? Is that all my worth? Or is there a way I can earn more? Or is there a way I can earn more with by working less? Yes, there is a way, but it is possible only after you have established yourself, only after you have a fixed or kind of steady source of clients and leads, and that is what we called IPS or in-person sale. I do not advise in-person sale to somebody who is starting out new. I'm not saying you cannot do it, but I would have not done it when I was really starting. So how does IPS work? When you take photo of a session or a client, you take about 30-40 photos and you edit them and give them all. Do you really want to do that? Or there is a way to earn more by doing that? And that is why people or many photographers, they do an in-person sale, and they say that this is the X amount, and X amount is only for my service. X amount is for usage of studio, usage of my effort, my props, and that does not include any photo. Well, you can say that this package will give you 10 photos. And if you want more photos, you can definitely buy them more by paying $5, $10. You decide your own price. That is how IPS works. How it works is that you have a fixed package for your session. That is your session fee. Session fee means that is the cost for your effort. That is a cost for usage of props and studio rent, etc. Of course, including the consultation session, the makeup, the dresses, etc. Some photographers, they include some digital images in it. Some photographers also include a limited number of print images in it, but not all. There is an option for clients to purchase more, and that is why they do an in-person sale. That means after the photo shoot session, you invite the clients for a viewing session. Viewing session preferably should happen in your studio. If it is difficult for clients to travel, or it is difficult for you to travel, you can have it over Zoom. But most successful photographers who do in-person sales successfully, they do it in person. That is why it is called in-person sale. So in that session, you show them the photos. No screen sharing, or they cannot take any photos. You just show them the photos, maybe in a projector or in a big TV. They will see the photos and decide which one they will like. Your package might have given them 10 photos, but after seeing photos, there is a big chance that people say that they will want more. It has always worked like that for me. I say that in my package, you can take 15 images, but after seeing the photos, you can decide whether you want to purchase the full gallery. And I offer the full gallery at a very, very discounted price. Now imagine somebody who is thinking that I have to buy another photo for, let's say, $5, but you are offering the full gallery, that is 40, 50 or 100 photos for like $100. That looks like a deal for them. That works for me because I, as a photographer, take a lot of photos. If you don't take a lot of photos, then maybe you can give a premium price to your full gallery. Now, how do you showcase if it is not in person? Sometimes client will ask you to send the photos in a link. So you can put a copyright mark on them and send, so that they can use it only for viewing, and they cannot, simply steal it or use it in their social media. Now, in the in-person sale, you can also offer other products like wall arts, or like prints, or anything like a mug, or any merchandise that you can find out. You work with a vendor, and you crack a deal with the vendor. You offer something which is at a kind of low price, and you mark it up and sell it to your customers. For that, during the viewing session, you have some of those sample products like a digital album or wall art. You keep them for you invest some amount for creating these products, and you can showcase to your customers, and there is a big chance that interested customers will be interested to buy them, and you get more money over a period of time. If you are renowned, if you have made a mark for yourself, you can include more products, you can increase price, and you can make more money by working less.